Watch this video if your front load washing machine is smelling a little funky. Let me show you how to clean it. The first thing is to clean the filter. Most machines have one. Make sure you have a tray to catch all the water. Spray the inside out with a multi-purpose, give it a good wipe. Then you're gonna wanna do the soap dispenser. Pull that drawer out, they all come out, spray it out, give it a good wipe down, and then you'll scrub the filter and soap dispenser inside of your sink. You'll wanna make sure you take apart this soap dispenser. That little blue piece does pop off, and that's where mold likes to hide, and then also likes to hide kind of back behind that drawer. So just give it a really good wipe and then a good rinse down. Put everything back together. When you put the filter on, make sure you screw that in really, really tight, and you're good to go there. Now we're gonna clean the inside of the machine. This is where the machine gets really stinky, is inside this seal, so make sure you pull that back and scrub it out as best you can. Once again, I'm using a multi-purpose. Go ahead and do the door itself, and then once you're done with that, the final step is just to use a washing machine cleaner. You dump it right into the drum, you run it on a clean cycle, and you should be good to go. The final thing you'll do is just leave the doors open and the soap dispenser open so that it can properly dry out, and this will prevent it from smelling in the future.